Tappy activated. Greetings, my dear crypto crew. Today, we'll let our processors work with all the available data about DEXs, decentralized exchanges. A decentralized exchange is like an online marketplace where people trade cryptocurrencies directly with each other. No middlemen involved. Instead of using a centralized service to manage your funds, DEXs rely on smart contracts. Activating explanation protocol. Smart contracts are self-executing bits of code on the blockchain that automatically process trades. Users keep full control of their own wallets and funds. Binary woohoo! I bet your circuits are buzzing with confusion. How do DEXs work? Unlike traditional exchanges, DEXs are non-custodial. Users don't hand over their crypto to the exchange. When you log in, you connect your crypto wallet directly to the platform using your private keys, the password to your wallet. At the same time, since DEXs are built on blockchain networks that support smart contracts, every trade is a blockchain transaction, so you pay network fees with each trade. Well, as we robots say, if you want your software to be the best, you gotta pay. So how can you use a DEX? Let's decode this topic and see what makes it tick. Getting started is pretty easy, but it requires a bit of prep. First, you choose a crypto wallet compatible with the blockchain the DEX runs on, like Tonkeeper on Ton-based DEXs. This wallet will store your funds and interact with the DEX through a browser extension or app. Then you gotta fund your wallet with the blockchain's native token, like ETH for Ethereum, to pay for network fees. Finally, once your wallet is set up, connect it to the DEX via the Connect Wallet button, pick the tokens you want to trade, and complete the transaction. One thing though, always monitor the site where you connect the wallet. There are many fake ones on DEXs. I feel I've triggered your curiosity algorithms, and you're wondering what the future of DEXs looks like. Here's the scoop on this subject. DEXs are evolving quickly, adding features like flash loans, which are borrowed and repaid within the same transaction, and new ways to earn yield through liquidity mining. As decentralized finance continues to grow, DEXs are likely to become even more sophisticated, offering services like lending, borrowing, and staking directly on the platform. Incredible computational efficiency. First kind is automated market makers, aka AMMs. They solved a big problem for DEXs: liquidity. Instead of relying on buyers and sellers to match up, AMMs use liquidity pools of tokens funded by users. Traders swap tokens from these pools, while liquidity providers, the people who fund the pools, earn a cut of the trading fees. A very smart robot must have invented this algorithm. Charging ahead in the world of crypto mysteries, the next type of DEXs is order book DEXs. Similar to traditional exchanges, these DEXs use order books to track, buy, and sell orders. They can be on-chain, then everything happens on the blockchain, or off-chain. In this case, orders are tracked elsewhere, but transactions still settle on-chain. Delivering the next data bundle. There are also DEX aggregators. These platforms search multiple DEXs to find the best prices and minimize slippage, which is price changes during trades. Breaking it down into bits and bytes, DEX aggregators compare liquidity from different sources to offer the best deals for users. Activating explanation protocol about the pros of using DEXs. First, it's privacy and anonymity. There are no signups, and no personal details are required. You just need a compatible crypto wallet. Let's keep the coins rolling. Next plus is early access to new tokens because DEXs often list tokens long before centralized exchanges. Your adventurous algorithms can let you down though, as scam tokens can also appear on DEXs. So switch on your hardware firewall. Also, since DEXs are non-custodial, you maintain control over your assets. This reduces the risk of exchange hacks, as your funds remain in your wallet, unless you're actively trading. My circuits are buzzing, anxious to warn you about the cons of using DEXs. Point 0. Using a DEX isn't beginner-friendly. You need to know how to manage wallets, send transactions, and pay attention to things like gas fees and slippage. Point 1. Smart contracts can have bugs or security flaws. If hackers find them, liquidity providers or users might lose their funds. Point 2. Since anyone can list a token on a DEX, scam projects can trap unsuspecting users. So, before doing anything, activate your DYOR protocols. Point 3. You gotta be careful with the price at which you buy tokens here. A token might not be listed on the exchange yet, but is already traded at a very high price because there's no liquidity. That's it for today. Don't plug out and you'll boost your crypto IQ, like subscribe and happy tapping. Tappy deactivated.